Welcome back to Daytime Live. No, I almost said Daytime Live.
Daytime
JC
Live,
take over the
yes.
place. But welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, every year, Jamaica College Robotics team never ceases to amaze us. Just recently, they've managed to win the first National Robotics Championship. And now, this sends the team to Houston, Texas in a few weeks to represent Jamaica in the first, that's FIRST, Tech Challenge. Welcome the captain of the team, David Smith, and faculty advisor, Mr. Jason Brown. Welcome.
So I'm
Thank
going to jump
you.
right in there. What does FIRST stand for?
All right.
FIRST, people. What does that stand for?
For inspiration and
Recognition
of science and technology.
For inspiration, recognition
recognition
of
of
science
science
and
and
technology.
technology.
Whose
Yes.
idea was the first? Who came up with
American
some
people.
Americans?
You
You
know?
know, these Americans. All right, no, that's pretty cool.
Yes,
I like
yes,
it.
yes.
I like it. And something that I learned today was with regards to the team. Everybody there plays a professional. They have a profession.
They have a role.
Tell us about the professions within this team.
So the team has 5 professional groups. We have the marketers, we have engineers, we have programmers, we have technical writers, and we also have our CAD departments.
Right, I learned about the CAD earlier. I was like, asking some questions.
What it mean?
CAD means.
Yes, yes.
What does it mean, Craig? You're
No, it's computer-assisted design.
I was just about to say that. You jumped in.
Yeah, we'll pay attention. But
You wrote it down. Whatever.
no,
So,
but what I want to find out though, with teams such as these, I mean, it takes a lot of hard work and a lot of time has to be invested. So, how important is the brotherhood in the team to ensure like the cohesiveness of the members?
The brotherhood is the probably most important thing to the team because you can't have one-on-one vex with each other and expect them to work together.
Nice.
So we have everybody knows the department, and if you need help, you go to somebody who's a senior member, you ask them for help, and we just get along through that.
I noticed also that you mentioned a marketing arm of the
yes.
team. Why is that important? I mean, robotics sound expensive.
We need
still.
the money. It's a lot of money. It's a lot of money to fund the program at school at JC, but to compete, it's another. We're looking at probably like a couple million just
Wow.
to compete.
So walk us through that process of acquiring these ones.
All right, so what we do is we meet as a team, we look at all the factors we're contending with. So we rate everything based on what we have to do. Parts, hotel accommodation, airfare, all of that. And then we do an information packet and we send out to different companies in corporate Jamaica for them to buy into our program. And then based on their discretion, they'll reach out and be like, we'll sponsor you for this, for that. But for the Jamaican championships, Teddy Alexander and T-Tech, they sponsored as well as the Port Authority of Jamaica. And for the World Championships, the National Baking Company decided to fund the entire trip.
That's awesome.
So they're doing everything
Wow.
for us. So they are title sponsors for the World Championships week after next.
Right.
Uh-huh.
So how many schools competed in the last championship?
We had about 15 schools
15
from Jamaica.
schools.
Uh-huh.
And
I know it.
Yeah. Oh, you know.
yeah.
It's
So
the blue blood.
Displaying the awards.
Yeah.
Kind of things.
Lovely looking awards. That's right.
so tell us about the Inspire Awards. I heard that that's like a biggie. Tell us a little bit about that one.
All right, so the Inspire Award is, it's the top award. It's a team who they focus on inspiring, as the award suggests. You have to go to other schools, interact with them, make sure that there is not just your robot alone do well. Everybody's robot is going to do well. You have to do outreach events, go and hang out with children's home, or go to your sponsors and get a tour of their factory or whatever.
Excellent. And you guys are ready to represent us in Houston,
We
Texas. We are ready.
ready.
All right,
We are
so
ready, we're
speaking
ready,
of
ready.
being ready,
Uh-huh.
I want to see just how ready you all are. Now, we have a
Alright.
beautiful robot up there.
Uh-huh.
I was...
Respect, sir.
Craigie, talk to him. Let me hear what's going on. How is that one?
Respect. Tell me your name, first of all.
My name is Miles Johnson. I'm the chief engineer for the team. So here we have.
Siobhan Wilkins. I'm the chief programmer for the team.
Awesome. And what's the name of the robot?
Waffles.
Waffles. Why? Tell us a little bit about waffles.
All right, so waffles had a predecessor called pancake.
Pancake.
And we called it pancake because it was flat like a pancake. So we just say, okay, since it's a step up, we just say, all right, turn pancakes into waffles.
All right. And I still have some waffle-shaped blocks and stuff here. Walk us through the process a little bit. Like, what kind of game? Explain this game to me.
All right, so basically, what needs to happen is...
It move.
Yes.
Hold on. It moves sideways.
Yeah.
How that happen?
So that's because of the mechanism wheels here.
What kind of wheels?
Mechanism.
Mechanism.
All right. So the type of wheels, they allow the robot to move forward, backward, diagonal, and sideways simultaneously while being able to turn around about this axis. So that's because of the rollers in the middle section of the wheel, because they're set at an angle. So the angle allows us to do all of those kind of diagonal and different
So does it operate just as well on any terrain, or does it have to be this rubber?
No, it has to be this type of foam tile.
Okay.
Because if it was on this hard floor, you wouldn't be able to do that movement as efficiently.
I have to ask, because I want it on my car. What is the game? What is it going to do?
All right, so essentially the main part of the game is to be able to extend here, pick up these minerals. They're called minerals. So we want to pick up the silver mineral here.
No, but this thing is bad enough. And those are just rubber bands that you
Yeah.
get? What do you do with the minerals after you collect them?
Right, so after we collect them, we have to pull them in. We want to pull them into the deposit box.
Alright.
I want to roll it out into the deposit box.
Alright.
And then we want to pull it up. Oh, it's not going fully up here.
That's good. And you know, some just said I was saying NWA need some of them machine, yeah? But I think it's them have. Awesome. That's really cool, man. Waffles are going good, man. How long does it take to build something like this?
Alright, so this robot here, it took 2 weeks to build.
Ah, okay. But a whole heap of engineering and design had to go in before the actual build.
Because we took the designs from the previous teams, like I said, Pancake.
Right.
And there was another robot, and we incorporated those 2 designs to make this one robot. And we thought like we wanted to be able to extend out and extend up. So we're like, what's around us that extends out so easy? So we pull out a drawer and we say, so these
right there. Yeah.
so these here
are
both draw slides.
This is the robot that's going to Houston?
Yeah.
Waffles your boss. Alright, question. Like alright, because you're so invested in it, do you speak to the robot? You talk
no, not often.
So you know, big it up like when Waffles do something like
I mean, but we don't do it often. Like
not in public, not on TV. Alright, that's you're trying to protect your sanity. I understand. Awesome, man. Congratulations on all of the success,
Thank you.
I wish you all the best in Houston.
Thank you so much.
Maximum respect, man. Daytime Live will be right back. We're going to talk about what Jamaica's first healthy cosmetic line.